you giving kisses to Blizzard?
You can go check out his cage. I don't care. I know. Say, mommy, this is not dog she's really playing with anymore. I met a couple doggies. Oh,
You're gonna break your leg.
Did you know that Rex passed away?
Who?
Rex, a mule doggy.
Oh.
In May. That's why Jackie's posted the other day. I said, no.
Damn, you got water? Are you thirsty?
I gave him water, then I gave him more water, then he took my more water.
I'm thirsty.
But then I don't know how, when your brother was here for the week, what he did.
No, I know he's good at playing.
This is saying you're gonna die drop dead. Asthma attack.
You want a treat? I have treats I can give you. And you, in case you want to eat the animal. These are for you. Want a treat? Look, treat.
Maybe two.
You want that treat?
He's a picky eater. I don't like half the shit we got.
It's okay if you don't like it. I got it from the lady in Smithville for the doggy thing. Can he have one, please, Blizzard? That's not for you. Unless he doesn't.
Maybe too big. Blizzard.
Let him have it. Blizzard. Oh my God.
Oh, it's right here.
Having a
Here.
panic attack, Blizzard.
Can't break it. Oh, I can't break it. I can't break it. Because you're so excited. You are too excited, my child. You are so excited. Oh, but I really like that TikTok of Willow smashing Mila.
Hey, come here. Let's get some water. You need some water.
Oh my goodness! Isn't he precious? This is hello. You are so cute. You are so cute. You are the cutest doggy in the whole world. Do not let my doggy hear that because he'll be very sad. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.